Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra have a new more leaks and rumors. So the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra may lose the 48 megapixel sensor in the zoom camera, and 108 megapixel gets no upgrades. So it's a day 3 of major Note 20 leaks, and this one will be met with some disappointment. Leak star Redden Quintin has tweeted a detailed description of the camera on Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the hardware is based on the S20 family, but with some downgrade. You read that the right downgrades. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will get S20 Ultra Large 1 by 0.33 sensor with 108 megapixel resolution. Unchanged 8K video recording remains capped at 24 fps, even though Snapdragon 865 powered phone are already doing 8K at 30 fps. Europe is still getting an Exynos chip, by the way. Also, while some reports claim it will feature fast dedication autofocus, it now seems that it will only support face detection. So the periscope zoom camera will elegantly get an inexplicable downgrade. Gone is 1 by 2.0 sensor with a 48 megapixel resolution, 0.8 pixel, replaced by smaller lower resolution sensor 1 by 3.6 in a size and 12 megapixel resolution 1.0 pixels. The lens still provides 5x magnification and OIS, plus the aperture is slightly brighter f3.0 versus f3.5. This may explain why the 100x space zoom will be dialed back to 50x zoom. It's not so much because of quality, but because the old 48 megapixel sensor could output 12 megapixel crops with 2x zoom. Using the same lens but losing the 2x from the sensor brings us to 50x zoom. The 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter 1 by 2.55 1.4 UMF 2.2 is unchanged. Not much to say here other than the 3D TF sensor will be removed. Actually, the Note 20 will have a 3D sensor instead. They'll both use laser autofocus. This raises an eyebrow considering how many times Samsung update S20 autofocus. The Ultra seemingly provide the tricks to get working right. The Galaxy Note 20 won't break the mold. It will just get the S20 camera plus laser autofocus. This means that the main camera that produced 12 megapixel photo elevate using large 1.8 pixel to do so. It does have face detection autofocus through. So meanwhile, Samsung is reportedly planning some user experience upgrade for the S Pen. It will drop the latency to 9 ms, and while the company has not launched a gaming phone, the Galaxy Note 20 Dual will feature optimization for Microsoft xCloud. The service run Xbox gaming in the cloud and stream theme to your Android device. Currently 50 titles are supported, but the number is said to grow to 90. So guys, this is the latest news about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new update, the 50x zoom and 100x Note? So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.